Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam Christmas tree centerpiece. And so what you're going to need some of this clear diamond chain. It's from Efavormart. You'll also need some of this white iridescent glitter from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need either an oval or a round silver or nickel tray. You're going to need some floral foam, and it can either be white or green, whatever floral foam you can find at Dollar Tree. And you're going to need some Mod Podge. I have got some of these little fairy lights that I may be using to light the tree. You could certainly use tea lights if you'd like to do that. I picked these up at Walgreens, but I will have some information for you in the description box below regarding where you can find some of these fairy lights if you're unable to find them at Walgreens. Now from Walmart, I have some peel and stick gemstones. Now you can find peel and stick gemstones on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I also have some of the little scraps from the peel and stick gemstones, and I'll be using this little scrap plastic to make the trees. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project, so let's get started.